Ooh, money. If you got it, you keep it. If you don't got it, well, you probably want it. Because it can definitely make life easier, don't you think? Especially in boarding school. Hey, you! It's time to get up! You heard me! Ah, what a great night's sleep. Servant? Thank you. Yes, help me out of bed, please. That's right. You're welcome, miss. Now for today, would you like to wear this hair? I think you'll look absolutely stunning in this cut. Yes, thank you. I definitely agree with your assessment. Oh, but I think something's missing. There. Now let's talk about what I should wear. Well, miss, I've always been a fan of this red dress. Okay, I'll try it. Ooh, so quick. I do like how it feels. Alright, but I'll need a bag. Of course. How about this one? I know how much you like poppets. I do like poppets. Looking good, miss, if I do say so myself. Oh my gosh, what time is it? Ugh, I hate this alarm. There, that's better. Now I can actually think. Ugh, I can't see a thing. Guess I better get dressed. This should work. I love this little dress. It's so comfy and cozy. I'm missing something though. Oh right, I need a bag. Good thing I saved this one to use later. But it could look nicer. Hey, I know. I can decorate it. I'm so smart. Okay, let me put this flat. And then I can take off the handles. Now I'm gonna fold the top over a bit like this. Time to add these clips. They'll hold the fold in place. Next up, it's marker time. I'll start drawing some vertical lines. Then some squares and more lines. I want it to look like a buckle. Now I want a big rounded rectangle right here in the center. And then one more line across the top of that too. Yes! And I don't need this marker anymore. Because now it's time for my fancy pink tape. I'm gonna tape the edges and make some straps. Yes! My paper backpack is totally ready to be used. It's so cute, too. Alright, let me just put this on then. It's a perfect fit. Off I go to school. Riding my bike to school. This was a lot of work. I could use some help. Haha! Good thing I packed this chocolate bar for breakfast. So good. I love milk chocolate in the morning. Ooh, my ear sure is itchy. Wait a second, I know. Yes! I knew I packed a cotton swab somewhere. Oh, yeah. That's better. Oh, right. I need to brush my teeth. Especially after that chocolate. Now where did I put that toothpaste? Got it! Dental hygiene is important and shouldn't be skipped. Just need a little dab of toothpaste. That's enough. Huh? What's that noise? Oh, it's a helicopter! Looks like a lot of fun! I wonder where they're going. Hey! Aw, look at her down there on her bike. Hi. What the what? Oh no! Losing control! Ah!
We're coming in for a landing, miss.
Ah! Don't land on me! There we go. Made it to school in record time. I should get to class. Ouch! Where are my glasses? My elbows. That hurt a lot. Ugh. This is all her fault. There we go. I finally arrived at school. Oh wow. They're throwing money at me. Honestly, you don't have to. And of course they rolled out the red carpet. As expected. Jeez, what a rough morning. But at least I finally made it here. What the? Ah! Ouch! Ugh, that's the second time I've fallen today. This job is so boring. I'm here. Huh? Oh right. Well, hold your horses. Let me check you out. We don't allow fake diamonds in this school, you know? Alright, you're good. Go on through. I should check my sunglasses, just in case. Aw, bummer. Ugh, I'm here. Can you just let me in now or something? Yikes. You'll need to check my teeth, of course. Here they are. Yeah, there they are, alright. Well, hold still. Oh my gosh, what's even going on over there? Just one more second. Alright, your teeth are good. What the heck? Does she have diamonds on her teeth? Man, you must have to be rich here. I think I have an idea. Alright, Diamond Smile. You're free to go through. Alright, is anyone looking? Here I go. I've got my little gem stickers right here. I'll just peel one up. There. I better add some more. Hey there, security guard. You're looking pretty nice today. I think you deserve a bit of a kiss, don't you? Mwah. Oh my. Wow. Well, let me get the meter. Your breath is off the charts for being rich. Please go through. Okay, I definitely need one more for this tooth over here. There we go. I've got gems all over my teeth. They're for sure let me in now. Okay, just play it cool. Don't be nervous. Hi there, Miss Security! Huh? Yikes! That was pretty startling, and not what I expected. Ugh! Her gold teeth are so bright and shiny, too. Too shiny. Just go. Get out of here before you permanently blind me. Gosh, I really need a new job. Alright, let me take some selfies with my new nails. I'll get a few more from this angle, too. Aw, her nails look so pretty. My nails look like I've been chewing on them. Because I have. This class is boring. Let me put in my earbuds to listen to my new fave song. That's much better. Death metal is totally my favorite. Aw, I wish I had earbuds so I could listen to music too. Oh, so that's the time, and my resting heart rate, and the weather too. Smartwatches are the best. Wow, that watch is amazing! Hey, I should put on my watch. Ta-da! I've got my good old cardboard watch. It's always right. 2 times a day. There we go. Looks like it's 9 o'clock. And it probably is. Somewhere, anyway. Let me show it off. I bet they'll totally love it. Ha! Totally sporty. Not to mention lightweight. I love this watch. Oh, I know what I should do next. I forgot I've had these earbuds too. Yeah, they have cords. But they still work. Alright, time to listen to my favorite jams. Nice! And it'd actually be pretty easy to make them cordless. Just a quick little snip. Yes! The cord came right off! Now for the other side. Done! Wait, though. Now I can't hear my music. I've made a huge mistake! Quick, I need to fix this! Hello, did you get that? You're hilarious! Yeah, I'm just talking to my friend right now. Oh, that's so cute. She's so weird. Yeah, that's what I told him too. Who am I kidding? This isn't working at all. And not fooling anyone. There, I've taken off the rest of the cord. Now at least they look like fancy cordless earbuds. Huh? Where did she get those? Isn't she poor? Oh right, her nails. I need to do something about mine. Ouch, it's stuck in my hair. There we go. I've got these paper clips. I think I can make them work. I'll just start by unbending this paper clip so it's opened up. Great! And now I can start twisting it around my fingertip like so. Wow! These turned out amazing! Check them out! I made myself metal nails out of paper clips. I'm a genius! Also, I feel a tiny bit like Wolverine, and that's pretty cool too, I think. Huh? What the? Where did she get those? Oh yeah, this is my favorite jam right now! Wow, maybe she and I should be friends. I'll just scooch over there. Hey there, Claire. You wanna take a selfie with me? Let's make sure to show off our new nails, too. Perfect! Just like that! Ugh, why can't I find my dorm room anywhere? It has to be around here. Hey, I have dorm too, and so do you. I think that means we're roommates. And here's our dorm. Oh no. Why us? Well, come on. Let's at least go check out our space. Open it. Alright, here we go. Huh. It's pretty spacious, actually. And wow, rude much? Guess you're going in first. Well, whatever. Oh look, they already unpacked some of our things. I guess this is my bed. I'm happy I got the bottom bunk. I've never slept in a bunk bed before. Time to unpack. I've got my toothbrush, of course. Diamond-studded, naturally. And of course I had to bring my special toothpaste brand as well. 3 bottles of Diamond Brightness. I never go anywhere without it. Let me see. Which one should I use? I think I'll pick this one. I'm gonna be brushing my teeth. Don't touch my stuff. Yeah, no problem, roomie. Oh, you're gonna brush your teeth? Well hey, that seems like a good idea. I'll brush mine too. I've got my trusty toothbrush and brand new toothpaste right here. Let me just squeeze what I can out of this tube. Ugh, I'm sure there's some left inside. There always is. Alright, I need both hands to get it out, it seems. Ugh, come on, get out! Shoot! My hands are not cutting it! I'm gonna need my ultimate secret weapon to tackle this tube! My granny's rolling pin! This'll flatten the tube like no one's business! Just gotta put my whole back into it! All my muscles! Come on! I just need a little bit more! You can do it! What are you… Ah! Ew! You got toothpaste all over my face! Well, yeah. I needed to brush my teeth, you see. Sorry. I just need to get a little bit of this from my toothbrush. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth. Ugh! Worst roommate ever! Ooh, I can really stretch my back and legs down here. Well, I guess I should call it a night. I'm pretty sleepy. I'll just keep myself warm with my money blanket. So comfy. Money is the best at keeping me cozy. Money is the best at everything. I'll just try this side maybe. That should be better. Okay, well maybe if I lay on my back instead? Shoot! I can't seem to get comfortable. And I'm cold, too. Wait. I think I've got something that could help. I knew I saved these old newspapers for a reason. I'll just put them out on top of me so they cover me up and keep me warm. Just a few more pages over here. And then up on my arms. Ah, that's so much better. I love a good newspaper blankie. Now I can finally go to sleep and catch some shut-eye. Ah. What is that noise? And where is it coming from? Is it coming from below? Is that Claire? No, I don't need more chalk. No! This is the worst thing ever! Maybe I can just cover my head.
This way, ma'am.
How cute. The carpet matches my shoes. Hi. Yes, it's really me. I hope you have your cameras ready.
Your chair, ma'am. We've warmed it for you.
Just don't ask how. Pencil? Okay, let's start the test. What's the question?
Hold on, ma'am. I see. Got it. It's 9. The answer is 9.
And this one?
On it. We need another answer. Okay, thanks. It's her name.
That's where your name goes, ma'am. Oh, right. That's it finished. Excellent, ma'am. Wow, this is so romantic. Ugh. Can't I get a moment to myself? Okay, let's have a look. Excellent. An A+. You can take it now.
Mark it again.
Get out of here.
Hey, lady. Don't make this a problem.
When you put it like that… Hold on.
Let's speed this up. That's more like it. Congratulations, ma'am.
Yeah! I'm so smart.
Ma'am, your cap.
Don't mess up my hair.
You have brains and beauty, ma'am.
I'm so proud. Congratulations, ma'am. This is amazing!
Smile.
Okay, it's test time. Where's my seat? Ah, there it is. It's not the most comfortable, but it'll do. I better get ready. This won't do. Why does this always happen to me? Luckily this plant is here. This should do the trick. I hope. It's not good at writing. Ugh, come on! Maybe I can scratch the paper. Ah, that's better. Uh-oh. It's stuck in the desk! I don't need this right now! Maybe I can pull the paper out. Ugh, this is so annoying! I suppose the desk is coming with me. I need to work out more often. Ugh, I finished the test. Ugh, I don't get paid enough for this. Let me have a look. Well done. A-. Now get out of here. Wow, that's a great grade. This is heavy. Wow, I'm so glad I studied. Great! Now I'm in the garbage. This is so embarrassing.
All clear, ma'am.
Thank you. For getting something? That's better. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm rich. How hard can it be? Finished.
I'll be right back.
Not again. Oh, hey, cutie.
Sup?
I'd like to grade you. You'd get an A+.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, you're flirty, huh? What have we got here? Oh, that's bad. But you get top marks.
Whatever, lady.
What's this? Send it back. Back for more, huh?
Fix this.
Maybe this will change your mind. It's all for you. Not interested. Oh, that's a lot. No problem. Wow, maybe this job isn't bad after all. Hey, Blondie, wanna help me spend it?
I'm busy.
It's your loss. I can easily change this grade. There you go. A+. Wait there. I've got something for you. Don't go away or you'll get detention. Here you go.
Thanks.
How did I do? That's better. Go me! What's that?
You know, maybe I will call. I get lonely.
Hey, focus.
Oops. You good, girl?
This water pressure is awful. There's gotta be more in there. Ooh, it's ice cold. I'd better be quick. Don't I have any samples left? That's all I need. Half of it disappeared already. This isn't gonna be enough. That's all, folks. Luckily, I'm not too wet. This thing's soaked already. Ooh, now I'm wetter than before. Alrighty then. Can bananas be too ripe? Hungry little guy? Whoops. Aw, man. Joey's morning looks slightly different. Draw a bath, please. Nice. Is there anything more relaxing? I could use a little snackage. Thanks! Oh, that's good. Strawberries sure make me thirsty. Ooh, that's fresh. Ah, a cool breeze couldn't hurt. Now this is how you start a day. There's just no other way. Well, there are lots of ways, if you live in Joey's house. From expensive gold jewelry? Yep, right on the neck, please. To a spritz of something yummy. Yep, right on the neck, please. What color palette am I feeling today? This one's interesting. Just one click, and it's done. Having money sure makes life easier. Tastes better, too. It's like everything's just handed to you. I've been saving up for months! Let's crack this sucker open! Score! I'm totally rich! All that saving really paid off. This stuff looks pretty pricey. But there's a sale! Even the box is beautiful. I almost don't want to open it, but I will. Whoa. The cutest little hair clip! Isn't it incredible? Wow. I feel gorgeous already. Check out all these cool items. Some of these are antiques. Gotta keep them clean. What's that now? Watch it with that thing. Now get out of here. Come on in. Interesting pieces here. Uh-huh. Is this supposed to come off? I've never seen things like these. Ugh! They're rock hard! Whoa! That sushi I had for lunch is turning on me! Joey! You okay? I need a bathroom. This! I'll take this! That's our gold toilet paper. $1 million bucks. Even. Sold! I'll take it. Thank you. See ya! Gah! I don't know if I'm gonna make it! I'll be right outside. Whoa! What's going on in there? Yes, uh-huh. Ugh, what's that awful stench?
How would you keep warm without a blanket? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.